Hello beauty queens. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you on how to lighten your inner thighs. We will discuss effective methods to lighten your inner thighs. Darkening of the skin in this area can be caused by various factors such as friction, hormonal changes, and excessive sweating. By following these simple steps, you can achieve brighter and more even-toned inner thighs. 1. Exfoliation. Regular exfoliation is essential to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. It helps in reducing the appearance of darkness and revealing fresh, new skin. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub or a homemade mixture of sugar and honey. Apply the scrub to your inner thighs and massage in circular motions for a few minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Repeat this process at least twice a week for best results. 2. Moisturization. Keeping your inner thighs well hydrated is crucial to maintain healthy and glowing skin. Moisturizing regularly helps to prevent dryness, which can contribute to the darkening of the skin. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and contains ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, or vitamin E. Apply the moisturizer to your inner thighs after exfoliation and massage it gently until it is fully absorbed. Repeat this process every day, preferably after showering. 3. Natural remedies. Several natural ingredients have skin lightening properties that can help fade dark patches on the inner thighs. These remedies can be used in addition to exfoliation and moisturization. Lemon juice. Squeeze fresh lemon juice and apply it directly to your inner thighs. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off with water. Lemon juice contains natural bleaching agents that can lighten the skin. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your inner thighs and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse off with water. Aloe vera has soothing and skin lightening properties. Potato slices. Rub potato slices on your inner thighs for a few minutes and leave the juice on for another 10 minutes. Rinse off with water. Potatoes contain enzymes that can help lighten the skin. 4. Sun protection. Exposure to the sun's harmful UV rays can worsen the darkening of the inner thighs. Protecting your skin from the sun is essential to prevent further pigmentation. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with a minimum SPF of 30 to your inner thighs before going outdoors. Wear loose-fitting clothing or use a light scarf to cover your thighs when spending long periods in the sun. By incorporating these practices into your skincare routine, you can effectively lighten your inner thighs. Consistency is key, so make sure to follow the steps regularly for noticeable results. If you found this video educational, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications button for more skincare tips.